Hello everybody, welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. It's November, California, and you know what that means? Barbecuing before it gets too dark. Still warm, we can still barbecue, but you gotta get it done before about 5:30 before it gets dark outside. Today, a special vegetarian barbecue that is very, very tasty. You won't even miss the meat. You wanna know what it is? Come on everybody, let's get cooking. Today's shout out goes to Anthony Espinoza. Thanks, Anthony, for the support. If you want to find out how to get a shout out in my next video, stay tuned to the end to find out how. Today's vegetarian grill is Zucchini Caprese Sandwiches. It matches very wonderful zucchini on the grill, tastes good, along with tomato and mozzarella cheese for a caprese salad. It's a very tasty treat. Try it. You'll love it. Here are the ingredients. 2 medium zucchinis. 1 tablespoon of oil. Salt and pepper to taste. About an 1/8 teaspoon of each would be fine. 1½ tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. 2 cloves of garlic crushed, like my dreams of being a Major League Baseball star. 4 ciabatta rolls, or whatever rolls you'd like to have for your sandwich. 8 large leaves of basil. 1 medium tomato, peeled and sliced. 6 ounces of mozzarella, sliced. Okay, that's our whiteboard for use with vegetables. And if you hear some music in the background, it's just my family playing their piano. So then we got 2 medium zucchinis. We're gonna cut them up. I'd cut the ends off. Don't need to cut both ends off. You only need to cut off this end, really, and this end. We're gonna cut off both ends. Now we're gonna slice them to a nice thin slice. Then I'm gonna cut them in half after I slice them. Nice one, cut in half. I know it's not easy to cut thin slices of zucchini. That's pretty good. Nice slice, nice slice. So I'm doing about quarters. It'll work well on the grill, actually. Some good thick slices. Cut in half this way. Zucchini slices ready for the grill. Let's do the next one. A nice cut down Broadway, half and half. And trying a nice half cut. From there. Not bad. Okay, not so bad. Cut them this way. Boom. Zucchini slice is ready to be seasoned. Okay, take out our seasoning bowl. Put them in. To go, we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we're going to add garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. My tip for crushing garlic: use a very fine cheese grater. They also have zesters, or not zesters. Now, the original recipe called for adding salt and pepper after you bake them or grill them. We're going to grill them on the outdoor open flame. I've pan fried them before. You can pan fry them too as well. Oil garlic, nice and mixed up. Easiest to use your hands on this part. Get them nice and coated with oil and garlicky flavor. Get some salt and pepper on them. Now they're mixing. Okay, they look good. Now they're ready for the grill. Okay, today we're double grilling. Got our Juicy Lucy's. I've got our Zucchini Caprese Sandwiches. Triple grilling, there's corn here too, you might see. It's also corn. Corn on the grill. Today we're also handling zucchini. Fried Zucchini Caprese Sandwiches. So we're going to put these on the grill. You can also stir fry it inside, but since I'm grilling something else, might as well grill these too. So zucchini is about 2 minutes aside. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Time to do zucchini. Now we're going to do inside. Okay, it's been about 2 more minutes the other side. Let's take out the zucchini and put it back in the bowl that it came from. You can see this one's nice and charred. Might be a little more done than you like, but it's still good. This is the kind of char you're looking for. This is very nicely done zucchini. That's what you want. One way to do the bread is put it in the broiler for about a minute. A minute, and it should be nice and toasted. Make sure you check in a minute or less, otherwise the bread could be burnt beyond recognition. It's happened to me too many times. Whew. You gotta check it out for a minute. A little bit toasted. So depending on how much done you want them, that's one way you can do it. Now we're gonna finish off the Zucchini Caprese Sandwich. You've got your zucchini. Add 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar to it. And stir that up. Okay, so finish off your sandwich. Take your bread. Now our bread is kind of double the size, so I'm going to use more zucchini than you would on one of your sandwiches maybe. A nice layer of zucchini. Okay, on top of that zucchini goes some tomato. Slice of tomato, this is what makes the caprese. The tomato. The basil, and then the mozzarella cheese, and zucchini caprese sandwich.
I really just taste cucumber and the combination of flavor between the vegetables, tomato, and the cheese and the veggies don't work at all together. It tastes terrible. Terrible kebab.
It smells bad. It doesn't taste as bad as I thought it would. The bread and the cheese make up most of it. I think if you replace the zucchini with avocado, it would taste better.
Happy Healthy Wife, Chef Barry here, reminding you to broil that like button just like we broil the tops of our Zucchini Caprese sandwiches. If you happen to make the dish on your own, make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought about the flavors, what you might add, what you might take away. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. And just to mess with people who don't make it to this part of the video, be sure to slip the word spinach into your comment down below for a chance at a shout out in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.